दोस्तों मैं सनी यात्रे अभी खड़ा हूँ होटल हयात में मानसरोवर स्थित है और यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेशन शुरुआत होने की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। आइफा 25वां वर्ष अपना मना रहा है। उसका सेलिब्रेशन की शुरुआत माधुरी दीक्षित के टॉप के साथ हुई है। उन्होंने महिलाओं के जो योगदान है उसके खुद की जो भूमिका माधुरी दीक्षित ने बुलाई है उसके बारे में पहलुओं में के बारे में चर्चा की। और यहाँ देख रहे हैं आप सभी तरह की मीडिया जो नेशनल इंटरनेशनल और रीजनल सभी लोकल सारी मीडिया आया हुआ है। ये होटल में हयात दिखाऊँगा ये मेरे कैमरा से कहूँगा कि देखें यहाँ पे ये जो सेकंड फ्लोर है वो पूरी तरह से सेलिब्रिटीज़ के लिए बॉम्बे स्टार्स जो फिल्म स्टार्स हैं उनके लिए बुक है। वहाँ पे रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया है, किसी को भी जाने की अनुमति नहीं है। मालिक साहब ने टॉक शो में यही कहा कि पूरे पहलों को तो बताया ही है, बाकी साथ उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि मेरा जीवन शादी के बाद से और निकला है। मेरे पति बहुत अच्छे हैं, मेरा बेटा जो भी है वो सब बढ़िया है और उसके बाद मेरे एक अनुभव है जो कि बहुत ही सुखद रहा है। आइए जानते हैं आज जितने टॉक शो में कहा उसके कुछ करके हम आपको दिखाते हैं। नमस्कार।
Add to everyone that connect with this brand globally every year.
And so I think whatever you do to make people aware of a lot of subjects that you want them to be, like you say, you use the soft power to take your culture to other countries. And today, because of OTT, like we were discussing, there's so much we see from all over the world. And they see our movies, we see their movies, their series, and imagine a Korean drama that we, watch here in India. I would have never thought that would ever happen, but it does. And I think IFA is a great, platform where you can take your stories, your, whatever you want to make people aware of, take it to the world, and people will listen, because they trust you and they have seen you and they really they're looking forward to whatever you want to tell them.
Dear IFA, you guys are incredible. You've built a huge institution and a big brand that matters to the industry. I think the onus of women paving ways for women should not just be on women, right? Please share it. Please, our dear men, share that onus. I would request IFA to give awards to men who support leading women in male characters.
Absolutely.
Who stand up and say, I will do this film because it's led by a woman. To reward producers who are pushing women characters, directors, writers who are making them empowered on screen, and studios who are putting money behind it. I think there should be a whole category of awards on how women are shown on the screen. Those films should be awarded and represented, and those people should be acknowledged, and especially actors. Who are saying that the onus cannot just be on women. It should be on the industry at large, and there should be an industry-led award for people who celebrate women on screen.
Wonderful. And again, to both of you, how do you feel you can influence or mentor or empower the next generation of female actresses or female producers, directors, like we're mentioning? What is the one sort of empowering message that you'd like to share to them, other than dreaming, of course?
Well, I think we are the ones who, make a path for them, so to say. If I keep pushing the envelope today, and I keep saying that no, I want better roles, I want to do this, I want, say even a simple example, like when I did Pukar, I talked about that, and I talked about Mrityuda. People were totally against me doing that film. They said, no, you're a commercial actress, you cannot do this film. She shoots someone in the end. And she said, you can't do that. And I said, why? If I don't push the envelope, I don't try different roles, and I don't say that I want the woman to be really strong on screen, and I want to do those kind of roles, maybe, nobody else will be able to follow. Nobody else will get the inspiration of doing the same. And if I'm successful at doing that, then I pave the way for others to follow, other women to follow and say, hey, you know, we want strong roles, we want, meteor kind of representation on screen, more powerful representation. And so I think it's the powers in the leading. I have to lead so that the others can follow, and I have to make the choices accordingly.
And you have. And you have paved that way for many of us to come through. So thank you. And I will just say that we're not each other's competition. We're each other's companion. You know, so I believe in you shine, I shine. You know, so the way we talk about each other in the rooms that we are not there defines who we are. So celebrate each other, double down on each other in the rooms that you're in.
Very well said. Another something that we were just talking about behind stage is lifestyle, well-being, being in the right environment, and being able to look as fabulous as, of course, Madhuriji and both you can look tonight.
Not a patch.
I know, but we're sharing the stage, so we're at least the beauty and inspiration. How do you feel that that plays a role in both you being an actress or just for your life itself personally? Where does lifestyle, wellness, and how do you manage all of this?
How do you manage to look the way you look?
Yeah, and still
inspires.
every year
What is
still
going on?
like that. You would like a secret.
I don't know, I mean, thank you for your compliments, thank you so much. But I think it's the way I look at life. For me, life is about living it, about enjoying it, about doing what you think is right, about making the decisions that comes from your heart. And that's what I've always done and followed. Of course, the beauty and every other part is thinking. It's like, I feel everything comes from within. And if you have that power,